Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital assets and make complex topics easy to follow. Today, we're tackling how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're switching platforms for better fees or just diversifying, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Coinbase and Robinhood. If you don't, sign up quickly, it's free and straightforward. Once you're set, log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, switch to Robinhood. Go to your wallet section and generate a receive address for the same crypto. This is crucial. Copy that address carefully to avoid any mix-ups. Back in Coinbase, navigate to the Send or Withdraw option for your chosen crypto. Paste the Robinhood wallet address into the recipient field, double-check everything, and enter the amount you want to send. Before you hit Confirm, review the network fees and estimated transfer time, as these can vary based on blockchain congestion. In 2025, with more efficient networks, this should be quicker than ever. Once you confirm, Coinbase will process the transaction, and you'll get a confirmation email. Now, hop back to Robinhood and keep an eye on your wallet. Your crypto should appear shortly. Remember, always double-check addresses to prevent losses, and never share your private keys. That's it, you've successfully transferred your crypto. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you in the next video.